Parents just love SourceForge International.
Hello students, welcome to the SourceForge learning session. SourceForge, one of the leading names, helps the students in their life course through schooling, sports and life skills. And here is the science subject for the grade 1. And from this we are going to discuss the third chapter, parts of a plant. And from this chapter we are going to discuss parts of a plant with their functions. And here are the plants. What are plants? Plants are the living things which grow around us. Some plants are big and some plants are small. Some plants grow on water and some plants grow on land. And in the previous chapter, we have learned about different types of plants according to their sizes and the stem. And now we can discuss in this chapter about the parts of a plant. What all does a plant need? A plant needs food, water, air, light and soil to live. And here are the parts of the plant. Root, seed, stem, leaf, fruit, flower, bud. These are all the parts of the plant. You can see once again roots, seed, stem, leaf, fruit, flower and bud. And we can discuss one by one. These are the roots. Roots are the important part of a plant. A plant has many roots. The roots grow below the soil. Can we see the roots? No, because they are seen inside the soil. The roots holds the plant firmly to the ground. Which holds the root in the soil? The root holds the plant firmly in the soil so the plant can stand straight. And the root absorbs water and food from the soil. What is the food for the plant? The fertilizers and the manure which we give and the water which we supply in the soil. From the soil, the root absorbs water and food and supplies to other parts of the plant. So, the roots are the important part of the plant. And next we can see about the stem. The stem of a plant grows above the soil. The roots which we saw grows below the soil and the stem we can see above the soil. These are the parts which we can see of the plant. The stem supports the plant. The stem supports the plant to grow leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. It makes the plant to stand straight and it carries water to different parts of the plant. The roots absorb the water to the plant and the stem carries from the root like this and supplied to all branches, leaf, fruit and different parts of the plant. The branches grow on the stem. We can see branches, leaves, fruits growing from the stem. And some plants have hard stem like trees. We have seen in the previous lesson, the trees have very hard, large and broad stem. And some of the trees like herb, creeper, they have the soft stems. Here is the stem, different stems. The tree has large, broad and hard stem. And the herbs has green and soft stem. Here is the shrub which has hard and woody stem. And here the leaves, the part which prepares food for the plant. The leaf prepare food for the plant by using sunlight. It absorbs sunlight from the sun and it takes air and the water which root supplies. Using all these three, the leaf prepares the food and supplies to different part of the plant. Most of the plants we see with the green leaves. Some have some ornamental plants has some yellow and pink leaves, but most of the plants has green leaves. We can see different shapes and sizes of the leaves. Here are different types of leaves with different shapes and sizes. Here is the banana leaf, coconut leaf, which is thin and long. Here is the banana leaf, which is the biggest leaf. The beetle leaf, tomato leaf, and the drumstick leaves. Here are the leaves which we eat as our food. In spinach, we take the leaves as our food, and even in lettuce, cabbage, we eat the leaves. And next we can see about the flower. Flower is the beautiful part of a plant. Isn't it beautiful? The jasmine, the rose. Yes. Even in some of the fruits and vegetables plant, we can see the flowers. It is the beautiful part of the plant. We can see many flowers with different types of different colors and also in different size. How does a flower grow? Flower grow from the bud. Here you can see the rose bud. It grows into the flower. When the bud blooms, it becomes the flower. Some flowers are small and some are big. And we can see some of the flowers like rose and jasmine, they smell good. We can feel the smell of some flowers. Here are some of the flowers which we take as our food. And this is the cauliflower, broccoli, artichoke. These are the flower part of a plant, but we take them as our food. And we can see different types of flowers here with different colors, shapes and sizes. Some of the flowers we use for praying to the god and some we use for ornamental, like for show purpose. We use in different functions also. We use the flowers. And here is the next part, fruit. We all like fruits, isn't it? Yes, it grows in the plant. It is the most plants have fruit in it. Fruits are developed from the flower. In some of the vegetable and fruit plants, the fruits are next developed from the flower. The flower grows into a fruit. Different plants has different sizes of fruits with different color, taste, sizes, isn't it? We eat many kind of fruits. Some of the fruits like tomato, lady's finger, we call it as vegetables. They are the fruit part of a plant, but we call it as vegetables. These are some of the fruits: mango, orange, apple, and grapes. Most of the fruit has seed in it. We can see innermost part of a fruit is the seed. That seed helps to grow a new plant. The mango has one seed, watermelon has many seeds, but the banana doesn't have any seed. Here are different types of plants different types of fruits we can see here. Peach, apple, blueberry, lemon, grapes, avocado, cherries, kiwi, pear, strawberry, mango, pineapple, lemon, cantaloupe, raspberries, orange, star fruit, coconut, watermelon, plum, and the banana. Which fruits do you like from this list? You like many fruits, isn't it? Yes. But in a chili plant, we can see a fruit. But that is we call as vegetable. And here is the next part, seed, which is the most important part. Why? From the seed, we get a new plant. We get seeds from which part of a plant? We get seeds from the fruit. A fruit has many seeds. You can see in the papaya, there are many seeds in it. And a seed contain a baby plant in it. When the seed get air, warmth, a soil, and then the baby plant grows and forms a new plant. When we sow a seed in the soil, when it gets a proper air and warmth, it develops into the baby plant inside the seed grows into a new plant like this. You can see this example. When we sow a seed, the baby plant comes out from the seed. Here are some of the seeds which we can eat. The almond, hazelnut, cashew nut, peanut, macadamia, Brazil nut, pine nut, pistachio, chestnut, walnut, pecan nut, nutmeg, pinali nut, coconut, coffee, and cocoa bob. These are the seeds which we eat. And we can see some of the seeds in the fruits. Here is the peach, it has 1 seed. And here is the apple, it has 4 to 5 seeds. And even in the lemon, we can see 4 to 5 seeds. And here is the avocado, we can see single seed. In the grapes also, we can see 4 to 5 seeds. And next comes the pomegranate, it has many seeds in it. These are all the seeds. All the seeds also we can eat. And here is the functions of all parts of the plant we have discussed. And you can watch us in the YouTube also. Thank you.